Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing out a very familiar name in Indian household, Amul Gold Milky Milk. This is 1 liter pack of pasteurized full cream milk and the front clearly say minimum 6% fat and minimum 9% SNF. But instead of just looking at the packet today, we are actually going to open it, see how the milk looks, talk about the creamy texture and taste, check the nutrition number and then go through the pros and cons. So if you are thinking about buying Amul Gold, stay till the end because there are few numbers on this packet that are worth noticing. And yes, I have kept the Amazon link in the description. So if you want to check availability or price online, you can use that link. Now let's start with the packet itself. This is Amul Gold Milky Milk and it is a pasteurized full cream milk. The pack size is 1 liter and the MRP printed here is Rs 72 inclusive of taxes. The front also give the familiar Amul branding and the tagline, the taste of India. One thing that immediately stand out is the fat content, 6% minimum for a full cream milk that give you an idea why this milk is positioned as a richer and creamier option. The SNF or solid not fat is 9% minimum. The packet also highlights it as a whole milk mentioned as a creamy mouthfeel and say it contains vitamin B2. Okay, now let's open the packet. So friends, I'm going to open the packet now. So now let's cut it and pour the milk. So friends, I'm pouring the milk and I'll show you the milk. How does the milk look like? So this is how the milk looks after opening. You can see the appearance for yourself. For me, the first impression is that it has the look you will expect from a full cream milk, smooth, milky and rich. Now let's talk about this texture because this has a minimum 6% fat content. It feels creamier than lower fat milk. That richer mouthfeel can be particularly noticeable when you drink it plain or use it for tea, coffee, dessert, kheer, homemade paneer or other recipe where you want a fuller milk character. And now the most important part of many people is the taste. So I'm going to taste it. When I taste it plain, the first thing I notice is the creamy milky flavor. It doesn't taste sweetened because there are no added sugar. The natural milk sugar account for the sweetness you get from the milk itself. The overall taste is rich and smooth rather than watery. But is that extra creaminess actually worth choosing a full cream milk over a lighter option? That really depends on what you want from your milk. And the nutrition panel give you a better answer. Now let's check those number carefully. Per 100 milliliter, this milk provides 87 calorie, total fat that is 6 gram, including 3.8 gram of saturated fat, trans fat is 0 gram, cholesterol is 16 milligram, carbohydrate are 5 gram and total sugar are 5 grams. Added sugar that is 0 gram, protein that you get is 3.2 gram, sodium that is 42 milligram, calcium is 120 milligram and vitamin B12 is 0.2 micro. The packet gives a serving size of 200 milliliter with 5 serving in this 1 liter container. So if you drink a 200 milliliter serving, you are roughly looking at 174 calorie, 12 gram of fat, 7.6 gram of saturated fat, 6.4 gram of protein, 10 gram of carbohydrate, 10 gram of total sugar, 240 milligram of calcium and 0.4 microgram of vitamin B12. And remember, the nutrition panel lists this as average values. The packet also shows the stated percentage RDA figure. Alongside some nutrient per 100 milliliter, energy is 9%, total fat is 18%, saturated fat is 35%, trans fat is 0%, added sugar is 0%, and sodium is 4%. For cholesterol, carbohydrate, total sugar, protein, calcium, and vitamin B12, no percentage RDA figure is provided in the supplied nutrition panel that give us a much clearer picture than simply saying full cream milk. You can actually see where the calorie, fat, protein and naturally occurring sugars are coming from. Now let's move to the next one. We will look at the storage instruction, ingredient information, the practical pros and cons and finally decide whether I think this milk is worth buying. Now we have already opened the packet, taste this Amul Gold milk and now let's look at the detail that can make a difference when you're actually using it at home. First, storage is important. The packet says to keep the milk refrigerated at 4 degrees Celsius or below. It also instructs consumer to boil the milk, cool it and store it in the chiller section or the rack below the chiller section of the refrigerator and consume it before use by date. So this isn't something you want to leave sitting outside for long. Once you bring it home, proper refrigeration matters. Now let's talk about the ingredients. The product information Identify the product as milk and the allergen statement confirm that it contains milk. There is no added sugar listed in the nutrition panel with added sugar shows as 0 gram per 100 milliliter. Another interesting point is the packaging material. The packet carries the number 4 recycling symbol which identifies LDPE or low density poly and is labeled as recyclable. Now let's get into the pros. Number 1, the 6% minimum fat content. If you enjoy richer, creamier milk, this is a clear advantage. Number 2, the taste and the mouthfeel. After opening, the milk has a smooth, creamy character that you will expect from a full cream milk. It works well not only for drinking but also for tea, coffee, dessert and cooking. Number 3 is the protein and calcium. Per 100 milliliter, you get 3.2 gram of protein and 120 milligram of calcium. Number 4, zero added sugar. The package shows 0 gram of added sugar. There are 5 gram of total sugar per 100 milliliter, which is consistent with naturally occurring milk sugar. Number 5, vitamin B12 is listed at 0.2 microgram per 100 milliliters. Now what about the con? The biggest consideration is the fat. 6 gram of fat per 100 milli means a 200 milliliter serving provides 12 gram of fat. So if you specifically prefer low fat or toned milk, this may feel too rich for your preference. The saturated fat is also worth noticing. 3.8 gram per 100 milliliter or about 7.6 gram in a 200 milliliter serving. Another point is calorie. At 87 calorie per 100 milliliter, a 200 milliliter glass comes to about 174 calorie. That isn't necessarily a problem, but is something to consider depending on how much milk you drink and what else you consume during the day. So is Amul Gold worth buying? If your priority is creamy, full fat milk with a rich taste and you're comfortable with a higher fat and calorie content, I think Amul Gold is a strong option to consider. If your priority is reducing fat or calorie, you want to compare it with a lower fat milk instead. For me, the biggest positive are the creamy mouthfeel, rich taste, 6% minimum fat, 3.2 gram protein per 100 milliliter, 120 milligram of calcium, vitamin B12 and zero added sugar. The MRP on this 1 liter pack is Rs 72 inclusive of all taxes. The prices can vary depending on location and the seller. So you can also check the Amazon link I have kept in the description. Overall, this is a straightforward full cream milk for people who enjoy richer milk and want something versatile for drinking and everyday cooking. And now I want to hear from you. Do you prefer full cream milk like Amul Gold or do you usually buy toned or low fat milk? Tell me in the comments. If you found this review useful, please like the video, share it with someone who's comparing milk brand and subscribe to the channel for more honest product review, price check, unboxing and taste test. And don't forget to check the next video on the screen. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye friends.